The Middle Belt Brain Trust is the regional brain trust in Nigeria that was founded by the Institute for Integrated Transitions in 2018. In Nigeria, the IFIT project is focused on 5 states, which we call the Eastern Middle Belt. It has a combined population of over 30 million people, but it is also the most diverse region in Nigeria. Since the Brain Trust is a group of diverse people who have networks both at the national and at the community level. Part of the MBBT approach is bridge a top-bottom and a bottom-up approach. We interact with government at the very highest levels who are in charge of policy making, legislation. Then we also get the voices of the very marginalized groups or people at the community level and elevate them so that it has an influence on the policies or the legislation that is being decided, so that we come up with government policies or legislation that the people accept and feel that they were a part of the process. We have 4 focus areas. The first is on community grievance management systems. The second one is on land administration. The third focus area is on youth and rural entrepreneurship. And the fourth one is introducing healthy narratives. The major issue we're having in rural Nigeria is the violence is driven by groups or individuals trying to assert their access, use, or ownership rights to land. So we're trying to use a prevention approach by trying to disincentivize the use of violence as a means to assert those rights. Most of the land delineation in Nigeria is concentrated in urban and semi-urban areas. So our goal is to get that done in the rural areas where most of them do not have the cash available or the education or the networks to properly map as an economic policy because they can't afford to pay the fees for surveyors and other things. For youth and rural entrepreneurship, we're trying to take entrepreneurship to the rural areas, especially targeting rural youth. Then the issue of narratives are also very important to us because there is a particular narrative that guides the people's thinking. So we believe that introducing more healthy narratives in this aspect will go a long way in ensuring that we have peaceful outcomes. The MBBT has provided a better picture of the true realities in the Middle Belt. We've been able to facilitate a negotiation process between the Bassa and the Egbura people of Toto local government in Nasarawa State. This has led to the return of, so far as of last count, over 31,000 displaced people returning back to 65 rural communities after 7 years of displacement. The MBBT has introduced a new paradigm to resolving disputes, especially in rural Nigeria.